You will love the silver Chrysler. This vehicle is powered by a gas V6 2.7L/167 engine with an automatic transmission and RWD. We priced this Chrysler $300 to sell quickly. You will find that his vehicle is loaded with options like black windshield moldings, chrome headlamp bezels, halogen headlamps, PWR exterior mirrors, solar control glass, variable intermittent windshield wipers, a 300 badging, body color door handles, a front license plate bracket and a lumbar adjust premium cloth front bucket seating, driver's side 8-way PWR. What are you waiting for? Come in for a test drive today. With a 6-cylinder engine, you'll have a rollicking good time when you fire up the engine. Feel the power. Make your offer today.